classes today are going to present the Bhasha sangam. Sindhi. Sindhis are an Indo-Aryan linguistic group who speak the Sindhi language and are native to the Sindhi province of Pakistan, which was previously a part of pre-partition British India. About Sindhi. After the partition of India in 1947, most Sindhi as Hindus and Sindhi migrated to India and other of the world. Today, Sindhi are born in India and Pakistan. India, Sindhis are permanently Hindu, while Pakistan Sindhis are permanently Muslim. Now, some of my friends to teach you the language of Sindhi. In English, we say hello. In Hindi, we say namaskar. What do you say in Sindhi? In Sindhi, I will say ajiya. In English, we say what is your name? In Hindi, we say आपका नाम क्या है? What do you say in Sindhi? In Sindhi, I will say तव्हाजो नालो छा आहे. तव्हाजो नालो छा आहे. In English, we say my name is Bhasha. In Hindi, we say मेरा नाम जयप्रीता है. What do you say in Sindhi? In Sindhi, I will say मुझो नालो शिवश्री आहे. In English, we say how are you? In Hindi, we say आप कैसे हैं? In Sindhi, I will say Tavo Kian Ahiye. Tavo Kian Ahiye. In English, we say I am fine. In Hindi, we say मैं ठीक हूँ. What do we say in Sindhi? In Sindhi, I will say माँ ठीक आहिए. माँ ठीक आहिया. Thank you.